Remember, Hachette or Games Workshop didn't sponsor this video. This is intended to be my honest and humble opinion on this journey as a collector and hobby enthusiast. Stay wild and listen! Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Welcome here, which is not my studio, as you have noticed for sure. Welcome in my dining room, my gaming room actually. And yeah, we are here because the Mordheim game board is taking basically all the studio in this moment. So I was totally late, I was late with these unboxing videos. And yeah, now already a couple of mail arrived with 2 boxes, and yeah, so we have a lot of minis. Guys, I must be honest with you, I was totally skeptic at some point because this kind of collection are very kind in the beginning. They are sending you 1-2 issues half price or something like that. Then the issues become more expensive, more and more expensive. And now, yeah, they are sending 4 issues per time. So the last month I received 4 issues from the number, let's check together, from number 12 to the 15, okay, which are here basically. And this week they sent me basically other 4 issues, so 16, 17, 18 and 19. We are already around the, the first quarter of the collection, so I was very skeptic because yeah, the cost of this package now is around 55 euros per month. You know that I don't have a budget dedicated, I don't have a family budget dedicated to this hobby, so all the money that I have for this is from the channel itself. So basically I was wondering, yeah, maybe I should stop this because it's too expensive. Then I calculate something, because in this case we received already beautiful models. So with the 12 and 13 we received the Terminator Squad. So they are 5 beautiful giant Terminators, okay, plus the beacon. And with the others, I receive a Psychophagus, a Tyranid Psychophagus. So, yeah, this one only, it costs like all the package, guys. So, yeah, we are in Italy around 50 euros or something like that. So it's a huge, big miniature that is worth it totally. Then we have another big spot here that is also quite expensive. And I suspect that in this box, guys, we have the first gift for the collection subscription. If so, the amount of money that we are saving actually, it's quite huge. So we will check this together. I'm sorry about this not conventional setting. In this episode, I want to, just pass through all the issues because at some point, without reading them in Italian, for you should be quite boring. But we are here for the minis, so let's check this box out. Yeah. Kitchen knife, guys. Let's open this. Let's have a look. We have already, you know that this is famous for having a lot of plastic, which is actually a downside of this collection, in my opinion, guys. You know that for me it's too much plastic for basically nothing. They could use paper instead, for example. The amount. So, gift number 1, we have tools. More plastic, of course, for scraping. This is a Spruce scraper, very nice, professional one actually. Yeah, let's put it here. And we have, I don't know the name in English, but it's for cut the spruce. It's a very nice one actually, professional. Oh, it's Warhammer branded, so it's quite good. I know that. Then we have 16, 17, 19. Yes, and we have the first goodie. Okay, let's put this aside for a moment. Let's put it in order. So 60, 70, 80, and 90. Let's open it up. Brutally. With the 16, we actually have a couple of more colors. We already received two of them in the previous 4. I didn't show you that, but with these 2, we are actually at 4 colors in the last 2 months. And that's it for the 16. We are not moving the pages right now. Let's now open the 17. Sorry for this kitchen knife, guys. Don't have the cutter with me now. But okay, 17, the issues is just like the others. And we have the first half of this other Termagant, 10 of them. The first half, so the first sprues are more Termagant Tyranids, guys. A lot of these bugs. So a couple of sprues. And we are already arrived at the issue number 18. Which is actually, I love the graphics. I love the graphics, guys. An important message: if you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. A big shout out to all my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing this. You are my best inspiration, and your support is the reason why I can keep going, I can keep improve and do better and better with you in this beautiful community. A lot of plastic. Oh my God, this is too much plastic. Okay, Hachette, please, we are in 2026. Why? Why all of this? Please do something, okay? It's too much. It's too much. So this is the other half of the Termagant sword. Yeah, 10 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and the big one. 10. Oh, 11. What is this? A lot. And then in the chapter 90, we just, sorry for the noise, we have the Morphlex Parasite, guys. It's a beautiful mini, also this one. It's a great one, and I like it very much. I can't wait to start paint it, building it, and paint it. Painting it. So we have already, guys, other 4 sprues. And now the big event, guys. Basically, they sent me the first big gift for the subscription. It's a lot of plastic here, guys. Giant spruce, because we have the first Dreadnought Brutalis, and we have the Swarm Tyrant with wings, guys. Let's open. So look at that. This is the wings part. It's a giant sprue. Then we have a couple of big bases. These are the parts of the dreadnought. Guys, it's crazy, it's mental. Look at the amount of pieces here. This is actually mental. And then the tyrant sprue. It's all that remain here. We have also a beautiful instruction book here for assembly the dreadnought, that this time is quite complicated, you see. And of course we have also the part with the painting of the tyrant and the dreadnought brutalis. These are great, guys. So as you will see, look at that. This is a lot of paper, guys. Beautiful art. Then we have a couple of accessories for the battleground. Okay. And then all these sprues, plus all this one. I calculated more or less what is the value of all of this. And basically we are saving the 60% of the real cost here in Italy. I don't know your country, guys. Let me know if it's quite the same for you, okay? This is it for this unboxing video. I will come back to you with all of this built and painted. Until next time, happy crafting!